Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about lip blushing. A couple years ago I went down to my friend Michelle's office and had my lips lip blushed. Now this is something you can DIY yourself at home, and we do have that same kit that's used in this video here, and we'll link to it below. If you're not ready to microneedle in these pigments, which last about a week is what I've experienced, then there's also this lip stain kit that I found on Amazon. This week in our app, we've been doing Lucky Lips, so it's all been about lips, and not everybody's ready to fill their own lips, but you can always be ready to define your lips a little bit more with all of these inks that come out and are not really permanent, but you can use them and have like beautiful lips for like a week. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right, it is time to start our lip brushing. No, what's it blushing? It's time to start the lip blushing. I've never had this done before, so I'm super excited. I'm always excited to share a new experience with you guys. So here we go. We're gonna microneedle in some lip blush color.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move,
Make sure to look below because I do link to my app, which is my private group where the community shares all of their experiences troubleshooting DIY skincare at home. And with that said, let's do the disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1. Allowance is made for the fair use of purpose such as criticism, code news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and entertainment purposes to help other women and men. There is an attack on true, helpful information from genuine sources. Please help me combat this attack by sharing this video with as many of your friends as possible. I apologize that every video needs to include this disclaimer as my videos are marked for adults. Unfortunately, this is our current landscape, and I appreciate your understanding and support.
The company, they only use this device.
Permanent cosmetics. She can do
Right,
like,
so you can do BB glow.
you can do BB glow, but like she can do
Permanent.
like eyeliner. She can do
With
eyebrow.
that? Oh, because you changed to the
Change the head. You can do regular PMU. One of the things that we're going to show you today on the cherry lips.
Yeah.
She's probably only going to do the BB glow version of it for you today.
Okay.
In case you want to change the color later.
Yeah.
This one is kind of move around.
Oh,
Because your skin is not a flat
Right.
surface,
Right.
right? So this needle tip itself, it's a kind
Yes,
of
it-
rolling.
It undulates
Yeah.
so that it can.
Inside.
Undulates. That's a good word.
I'm definitely drawn. Look at me. I'm obviously drawn to like a coral color.
I just think that this isn't, I don't want it to pick up so much pink because I think you want that more orangey tone, right?
Yeah. Michelle's going to explain to us about this new product and how it works and our options for today.
We are going to use micro needling device. It's called MISSMITO.
Basically the same concept of BB glowing your face, but we're going to do it to my lips.
So this is a plastic tip.
Instead of the metal pins in the cartridges, on these they're plastic. It's like it bends so that it can go around shifting planes a lot easier.
You like the more coral.
I do. Obviously, I'm kind of into the peach and coral colors because I wish I was Korean like Michelle. We're going to test and swatch these. So when people buy this, Michelle, are they buying all the colors or they can pick a color they want, or does it come in a
They
set?
have to use booster first.
Yeah.
Any color you want.
Okay.
Then aftercare.
Okay.
It's a whole set, but you can buy this individually.
I think it's kind of fun that if you do get this kit, you can mix up your own shade. Yeah. You know, I think that that's where the DIY person's going to be like really ecstatic.
And you can also ombre your lips though.
Yes. I love it. I love an ombre.
I love that.
Nicole, she trains.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
For the pen or for injection. Okay.
She's an RN.
Oh, you are.
Yeah. She worked with me.
Please don't watch my video.
No, actually, I do watch your videos and I love them. And I thank you for being out there and actually teaching people because, I mean, we're all humans, right? We're all capable of learning things.
Yes.
And as long as you're teaching safe practices, because these people are going to do it anyway.
Right.
And so as long as there's an outlet for them to learn and to experience it,
Totally.
I think it's amazing.
So is this a blend on this side?
This is more red,
Okay.
more pink,
Uh-huh.
and more coral.
Okay, yeah, let's do the coral.
Coral one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is it about the booster? Is it just a hydration
Hydration, it neutralizes your lips.
so that the pigment's going into a pH balance
Yes.
situation?
So a staining is going to last you maybe 1 or 2 days. This is going to be more of like probably 3 weeks worth. So I think I like it in the fact that, especially if you're gonna go on vacation, you don't want to mess around. You have this nice, beautiful color that you want to be able to change. You know, you can change it out.
Yeah.
It's different than when you're actually doing just a liner on the lips. So somebody who really just like, this is my color, I'm gonna do this color. This is gonna be really pretty.
Cleaning off the lips. Is this like an alcohol to remove anything?
This is gonna be a cleanser.
A cleanser.
I'm gonna leave this on for 2 minutes.
Is it like an enzyme wash?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's funny.
Spinning faster every night. I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow.
Ooh, what is, oh, a spatula, great. So she's using a spatula to exfoliate my lips. In case you're not familiar with these spatulas, they have vibrations in them for either lifting up dirt or for pushing in product. That's a very, very basic explanation of the spatula.
Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost.
Oh yeah.
What she just applied was the lip booster, which is gonna get the pH balance ready for the lips to receive that color.
I thought that should help you guys.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right.
So then you just put the aftercare on top of that as a tailing. You kind of just like lock everything in. That looks really good. You guys, you see this? This is amazing. So easy. Definitely something that you could do at home. This is awesome.
Then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone.
Okay, so what is aftercare with this?
I use a Stevie.
Okay, so we have the Stevie aftercare, and then I'm not supposed to eat or drink for.
24 hours, do not touch any salt.
Okay, so for 24 hours, do not touch any salt because salt breaks down the pigment. Yeah, that color's really pretty.
I keep looking at my phone.
So we just finished the lip blush, super fast, not painful at all, and we used the MISSMITO Microneedling Pen. So I wanted to show you really quick how the cartridges work because I think they're really different than a lot of cartridges we've been using. So in particular for lips, obviously filling the lips in is a different cartridge than if you were gonna line. So with this cartridge, this is the one we used, and you can see that it is like circular and you've got multiple needle heads, and these are actually plastic, not metal pins. So for doing the lip liner, then you have a different cartridge that's actually a metal needle. So it's a 5-slope needle, and on the back it says at 5S, which helps you probably know that. And then on this side of the non-sloped needle, you have MTS cartridge. That allows you to do the line and be very specific with the needle one. And then the fill-in one, it obviously is not as precise, but it covers area. And just in true fashion, I've got color all over my teeth. We used color number 4, which is kind of like a corally pink color. And because I like coral peach colors, this will probably settle down more into that orangey family, which I'm really excited about. And then I'll just be able to top with gloss. So when we were starting out, she first used the Derma White exfoliation gel. And so this helped just like remove and basically, you know, etch the surface so that it could be really clean. And then we put on this foam that's a pH correcting foam so that when she laid down the pigment, it could absorb better into the skin. Then once we had the enzyme foam off and it was all pH balanced, then she put in a booster, which helps probably hydrate the lip area so that it can absorb in more of the pigment. Because like we talk about all the time with microneedling, if it's super dry, then things don't want to ooze. But if you can make them very hydrated, then things move, right? And then afterwards, it comes with a after lip care kit lip treatment. So we stuck this on, kind of, it felt like a gloss. And then on top of that, we put the Stavy aftercare cream on. So now my lips feel hydrated. In no way, shape, or form did they hurt. It was just a really easy, quick, enjoyable treatment. Thank you again for joining me on today's video, and I hope that it gave you a lot of insight. Remember that some of these products are linked below, so you can easily find them and use them yourself.
Love me right, yeah. This could be